Hello buyers! If you are buying a home, you might be thinking, is home insurance really necessary? The short answer is yes. Not only is it essential for protecting your investment, but most lenders require it before you can even close on the home. Let us break it down what home insurance covers in simple terms and why it is must have. First, most policies cover repairs and rebuilding costs if your home is damaged by fire, storms or other covered disasters. This is crucial for safeguarding what is likely your biggest investment. Also, many policies cover personal items like furniture, electronics, clothing if they are stolen or damaged. Imagine losing everything in fire and needing to replace essential items you have worked so hard for it. Then, there is liability protection. This coverage protects you if someone gets injured on your property. Good homeowners insurance can help to cover medical bills or even legal costs if you are sued. This can save you from unexpected financial burdens. Unfortunately, lately, we all have seen home insurance costs rising due to extreme weather events like hurricanes and wildfires, as well as increasing repair costs for materials and labor. Some insurance companies are even pulling out of high-risk areas, which makes shopping around for the right policy more important than ever. And finally, a few key things to remember. Your first insurance payment is included in your closing cost, but after that it is a recurring expense. So, be sure to budget for it and remember, not all policies are the same. It is important to take the time to compare the coverage options and find out one that best works for your location and needs. Home insurance is not just another bill, it's an investment in your peace of mind. If you are a buyer looking to buy, reach out to my team and I today so we can get you started on your path to home ownership. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, Realtor and Real Estate Broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Let us connect. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.